Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County and south central Wisconsin, Walworth County and southeast Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe or near Rockton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Beloit around 3:10 p.m., Clinton around 3:25 p.m., Sharon around 3:30 p.m., Darien around 3:40 p.m., Elkhorn, Williams Bay, Delavon Lake, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, and Como around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chaupier, Millard, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Tibbetts, Emerald Grove, Tiffany, Richmond, Allens Grove, and LaGrange. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.